Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about TOEFL tips and tricks, including practice question and explanation. Many people think TOEFL is difficult because the listening section is too fast, the grammar section is confusing, and the reading passages are too long. But actually, TOEFL can be much easier if you know the right strategies. In this video, I will explain how to answer listening question, structure and grammar question, reading question, and also some useful strategies to improve your TOEFL score. So make sure to watch this video until the end. TOEFL stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language. It is an English proficiency test commonly used for university admissions, scholarships, student exchange programs, and job applications. TOEFL usually consists of three main sections: listening, structure and written expressions, reading. Some TOEFL tests also include speaking and reading sections. Each section measures different English skills, so it is important to understand the strategy for each part. In the listening sections, you will hear conversation or lectures in English and answer questions based on audio. The biggest challenges are fast conversation, unfamiliar accents, and limited time. Tip 1. Focus on keywords. Do not try to understand every single word. Instead, focus on important keywords such as names, places, numbers, date, and the main topic. Practice questions.
Woman, did you finish the biology assignment? Man, no, I was busy preparing for the math test. Question. What does the man mean? A. He finished the biology assignment. B. He studied biology. C. He did not complete the assignment. D. He likes math.
The important keywords are no and busy preparing for the math test. This means the man did not have enough time to finish the biology assignment. So the correct answer is C. He did not complete the assignment. Tip 2. Pay attention to synonyms. In TOEFL, the question often uses different words with similar meanings. Examples. Tip 3. Do not panic about unknown words. Sometimes you will hear difficult vocabulary. Do not stop listening just because of one unfamiliar word. Try to understand the general meaning of the conversations. Tip 4. Practice listening every day. You can improve your listening skills by watching English movies, listening to podcasts, watching YouTube videos in English, or listening to English songs. The more you listen, the more familiar English pronunciation will become. The structure section tests your grammar skills. Many students find this section difficult because they must quickly identify grammatical errors. Tip 1. Find the subject and verb first. In every sentence, there must be a subject and a verb. If one of them is missing, the sentence is incorrect. Practice question. The subject is the students. Because students is plural, we need a plural verb. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Tip 2. Be careful with these structures. TOEFL often includes extra words to confuse you. Practice questions. Many students choose art because they see the word flowers. However, the real subject is the bouquet. Bouquet is singular, so the correct answer is C. Tip 3. Learn common grammar patterns. The most common grammar topics in TOEFL are subject-verb agreement tense, passive voice, comparative, gerund, and infinitive. Practice question. Questions. After the verb enjoy, we must use gerund or verb-ing verb. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Tip 4. Use the elimination technique. If you are unsure about the answer, eliminate the choices that are clearly incorrect. For example, incorrect verb forms, wrong tense, or ungrammatical sentence. This technique increases your chance of getting the correct answer. The reading sections test your ability to understand written English text. The passages are usually long and time management is very important. Tip 1. Use skimming. Skimming means reading quickly to find the main idea. Do not read every word at the beginning. Focus on the first sentence, the main topic, and the conclusion of each paragraph. Tip 2. Use scanning. Scanning means looking for specific information. For example, if the question asks about a date, a name, or a specific term, you should immediately search for that keyword in the text. Practice questions. The passage clearly says there are fewer distractions, so the correct answer is C, because there are fewer distractions. Tip 3. Learn synonyms. TOEFL often replaces words with synonyms. Examples: that is why vocabulary is extremely important. Tip 4. Do not spend too much time on one question. If you are stuck on one difficult question, move on first. Remember, TOEFL is also a test of time management. 1. Study consistently. Studying for 30 minutes every day better than studying for 5 hours only once a week. 2. Increase your vocabulary. The more vocabulary you know, the easier listening and reading will become. Tips: write down new words, make your hour sentence, and review them regularly. 3. Take practice tests frequently. Practice tests help you become familiar with the format, identify your weaknesses, and improve your speed. 4. Use a timer while practicing. TOEFL is not only about English skill, but also about managing your time effectively. So, those are some TOEFL tips and tricks, along with practice questions and explanation. Remember, TOEFL is not impossible. With the right strategy and consistent practice, your score will definitely improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment below and tell me your TOEFL target score. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!